Hello everyone, and welcome to Instagram for Business. My name is Latasha James, and I have been a social media manager and marketer for the better part of 10 years. The possibilities with Instagram really are endless, and we'll be walking through all of the major features in this course. We'll cover creating eye-catching, scroll-stopping content right on your mobile device. We'll talk about how to choose the account type that's right for you. And we'll even dive into how to set up an ad that helps you maximize your business goals. This course will help you unlock the power of Instagram, whether you're an established brick and mortar business owner, a corporate marketing employee, or a social media manager or strategist. And even if you've been scrolling Instagram since the very beginning, chances are you'll pick up a few tips, tricks, and recommendations that you haven't heard of before. I can't wait to dive into the content with you, so let's not wait any longer. Let's hop in.